In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio to text in Microsoft Word. If typing feels slow or tedious, this built-in feature can take a lot of the effort off your hands and help you get your ideas onto the page in real time. You don't need any extra software, and there's nothing new to install. Everything you need is already on your Windows computer and inside Word. Here's the idea. Instead of typing every sentence, you'll speak, and Word will write it out for you as you go. Start by opening your document and making sure your cursor is in the spot where you want the text to appear. Then, when you're ready, press the Windows key and the H key together. A small dictation bar will appear at the top of your screen, and once it's active, you can begin talking, just like you would in a normal conversation. As you speak, you'll see your words show up immediately in the document, line by line, so you can keep your flow without stopping to type. To get the best results, speak clearly and at a steady pace. You don't have to over-enunciate, just keep your voice consistent and minimize background noise if you can. If you want to control punctuation as you dictate, you can say words like period, comma, or new line, and Word will insert them for you. If it makes a small mistake, don't worry. You can keep talking to get your main thoughts out quickly, then go back and make light edits afterward. This is a great way to draft emails, reports, meeting notes, or brainstorms without losing momentum. You can use this approach for short notes or longer documents, and it's especially helpful if you think better out loud. If you pause for a moment to gather your thoughts, the dictation bar will typically wait for you, and when you're ready, just continue speaking. When you're done, you can simply stop talking, and the dictation will end, leaving your text right where you need it. From there, give the document a quick review, adjust formatting if necessary, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. Press Windows plus H, start speaking, and let Word convert your voice into text in real time. It's a simple trick, but it can save an incredible amount of time and make writing feel more natural. If you found this tip helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, easier writing in Microsoft Word.